Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Coach Tenny, the Maths Queen. In today's video, we're going to be solving questions on simultaneous equation, and this topic is for the secondary school level students. The word simultaneous means happening at the same time. So solving simultaneous equations means solving two or more equations at the same time. So now let's dive deep into solving questions. Now you will see that we are having two unknowns. The two unknowns are A and B. A and B. So when we are asked to solve, that means we are to look for the values of the unknown. We're looking for the values of A and B. Now in simultaneous equations, we have three methods in which you can solve simultaneous equations. One is the elimination method, two is the substitution method, and three, you have the graphical method. So in this video, we are going to stick with using elimination method to solve simultaneous equation. And in my next video, I am going to show you how you can solve a simultaneous equation using the substitution method. So stick with me as we go on to solve. Welcome back. Now we have the first thing we have to do using the elimination method. Eliminate means to remove. We are going to remove letter A. We are going to remove on the letter A. And how do we do that? First, we'll call this equation 1 and we call this equation 2. So we are going to make the coefficients of equation 1 of A in equation 1 and 2 to be the same. So we have 2 and we have 5. So I'm going to multiply this first equation by 5 and I'll multiply the second equation by 2. By so doing, if I use 5 to multiply 2, I will have 10A. 5 times 3 will give me 15B. 5 times 40 is going to give us 200. Same thing I will do to equation 2. 5 times 2 will give me 10A. So you can see that both the coefficient, by coefficient we mean the number following the letter. Both numbers following letter A are 10 and 10. Alright, so we move on. 2 times 2 will give us 4B. 3 times 34 will give us 2 times 34 will give us 2 times 4 is 8. And 2 times 3 will give us 6. Alright, so now that we have made the coefficients of A to be the same, now we are going to subtract. So we'll be able to eliminate A. So 10A minus 10A will give us 0. Here we have 15B minus 4B. And here we have 200 minus 68. 15B minus 4B is going to give us 11B. That is, you take away 4B from 15. Now we subtract 200 minus 68 will give us 132. To get our B, we divide both sides by 11. 11 here and 11 here. 11 cancels out 11. We have B remaining. 11 into 13, if we break it down, will give us 1, which is 11, remain the 2. And 11 into 22 will give us 2. So we have solved for the value of B by eliminating A, by removing A. So now, having gotten B, we have to look for the value of A. Now I'm going to bring that here. To get A, we will substitute B into any of the equation. So I'm going to take equation 1. So equation 1 is 2A plus 3B is equal to 40. So this will give me 2A plus 3B. B is equal to 12 is equal to 40. So 2A, 3 times 12 will give us 36 is equal to 40. 2A is equal to 36 crosses over and it changes to minus. When the plus crosses the equal to sign, it changes to minus. So 2a is equal to 40 minus 36, which is 4. Therefore, to get our a, you divide both sides by 2, by this 2, the coefficient of a. 2 divided 2 goes, a is equal to 2 into 4 is 2. So the solution to these simultaneous equations are a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 12.